Are you concerned about your WhatsApp privacy at public places like at airport, coffee shop, or a library? Well, there is a very easy and quick fix to it, and let's do this. In today's video, we will install one Google Chrome extension that will protect your WhatsApp web privacy in public places. Open Chrome Web Extension, click on the first link. In Chrome Web Store, search for Privacy Extension for WhatsApp Web by Lucasian.com. Click to install the extension. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and you are done. Perfect. Here we can see Privacy Extension for WhatsApp Web has been added to your Chrome. Let's click on Chrome Extension Settings and we will pin it to the Chrome browser. Perfect. Let's open the extension settings. Over here we can manage what to enable or disable. In other words, what to blur or unblur. So let's say we want the profile pictures to be blurred out. Let's enable no transition delay as well, except the last one. Now let's switch back to the WhatsApp web. Great, we can see everything is blurred out over here, the profile picture, the group name, and even the messages within the group. So let's open the group. Now this is the ultimate mode to work in any public place comfortably. You can see all the messages are blurred out. Whenever I bring the mouse to over any message, it will unblur automatically and instantly. And this will keep your privacy intact. Even on your message list, you can individually check the profile picture or the group or username and the messages from the group itself. All I can say that this is a truly life-saving extension. Isn't it cool? Let us know in the comment section what you guys think of it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, let us know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Talk to you next one. Peace.